I knew it! I knew you were going to do that, you underdeveloped troglodyte. I hope you get malaria. And on the way to the doctor, your tire blows out, you lose control, wrap your car around a utility pole, it catches fire, and you suffer third-degree burns on 73% of your body. And then, on the way to the hospital, the ambulance you're in blows a tire, loses control, slams into another utility pole, catches fire, and you get third-degree burns on the remaining 27% of your body. And then, at your welcome home party, as you walk through the door and everyone yells, "Surprise!" you shit yourself in front of everyone. And as they realize what you've done, a passing vehicle blows a tire, loses control, and drives through the front of your house, crushing you. Blood and feces and cake smeared all over the place. Ha ha! Yes! Fuck you!